I'm here with my Dash Mini Waffle Maker and some leftover Thanksgiving stuffing. Let's make a stuffing waffle. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. The white light is on the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. That means it's heating up. Once the white light goes off, then we're ready to start cooking waffles. So I have some leftover Thanksgiving stuffing that I made fresh. I used an entire loaf of sourdough bread and it was absolutely delicious. It's only a simple bread stuffing with some onions and some celery and some chicken broth and 2 eggs and some stuffing seasoning, but it was absolutely delicious. I now have some leftovers, and I've heard of people making stuffing waffles. I've never made one myself, so I'm gonna see how that comes out. I've seen people make these waffles 2 ways. I've seen them just take plain stuffing, put it in the waffle maker, and then out comes a stuffing waffle. I've also seen people take an egg and mix an egg into the stuffing and then make a waffle that way. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to make a waffle with plain stuffing. As you can see, I don't have a whole lot of stuffing left over, but I should have enough to make a few waffles. Okay, the light just went off. I'm gonna use the plain waffle maker and I'm gonna grab like a hunk of stuffing. You know, stuffing tends to stick to itself. I'm gonna push it all down. I'm using a silicone spoon. So there's my stuffing all nicely centered in this waffle maker. And I'm gonna cook that for 5 minutes. It's been 4 minutes and the waffle smells like it's done. So let's open this up. And look at that. Look how golden brown this waffle is. It smells so good. The question is it going to come out as a waffle? And look at what's going on here. It's falling apart. So the stuffing is nice and warm, but it didn't really hold its shape as a waffle. I mean, it's super soft. It really does need some kind of a binder. I just added some leftover cranberry sauce. Like, it's just falling apart as I try to cut it into pieces. I mean, it's good. It just tastes like hot stuffing. And it does have a bit of a waffle shape in areas and a bit of a crunchy texture in areas. But it definitely is not held together in a waffle shape. I am going to make another waffle using an egg. This is my mini food processor, and I'm going to use this to kind of help chop up the stuffing. So I'm going to add an egg to this. Then I'm going to add some stuffing. Maybe like a 1/2 cup of stuffing. It's probably like a 1/2 cup. Now I have a smooth waffle batter. I actually think it's a little too loose and it needs some more stuffing. So maybe this will end up being 2/3 or 3/4 of a cup of stuffing. That looks good. Can you see that it's a lot less loose? Here's the waffle maker. I'm putting 2 heaping tablespoons of batter in it. That should expand. I'll shut that. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes right now, and I'm starting to smell the waffle, so I think it's done. Let's take a look inside. Look at that. That looks beautiful. It looks like a waffle. And look, It stays together. It stays together like a waffle. It smells like stuffing. I just topped it with a little cranberry sauce. So first I'm going to taste some of the waffle without the cranberry. Looks really good. So good. It tastes just like stuffing. The waffle itself is still quite soft. It doesn't have a crunchy outside. The outside is firm but still soft. The inside is definitely the consistency of stuffing, like, you know, like a soft consistency. But it holds together really well and it tastes really good. And actually, if I made 2 of these and if I had some leftover turkey, I can make a sandwich with them. So I can use the stuffing waffles as bread with turkey and cranberry sauce in between. That would be so good. Okay, let's do this. I was able to make 2 more small waffles with the batter that I had. I found some leftover turkey, put it on the waffle with some cranberry sauce. And there's the other waffle. And now I have a beautiful turkey and cranberry sauce sandwich on stuffing waffles. Let's pick it up and give it a bite. That is so good. I do feel like it needs just a little bit of maple syrup, just a little bit of sweetness, but this is so good as it is. I'm very happy with this, so thanks so much for watching these experiments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.